My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Renault Trafic. This vehicle has done 52,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that it has 9 seats in total. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio and media, Bluetooth, map and navigation, and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below the screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.